Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my salmon salad. So this is my lettuce. It's already been washed and everything, so yeah, you can use any lettuce of your choice, but this is what I have in my house. Okay, so yeah, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some lettuce and put it in here just like that. I don't want too much, just enough. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take my salmon. This is a leftover salmon that I made, so that's what I'm going to add. This is a very simple recipe. Everything is already been made. So I got that. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. Like that. And I'm going to use this Imperial Nuts break time blend right here. Okay, so that's enough. This is my snack for later on. So now I'm going to add my Thousand Island dressing to my salad, and then I'm gonna top it up with the fat-free Italian dressing to give it more of that wet look, moisture, you know. So I'm gonna sprinkle some here. I want enough of that, so every time I pick up a bite, it'll be all. So this is my simple salmon salad for dinner, lunch, or whatever you chose to have it. But yeah, so this is it right here, y'all. So once I pick it up, look at that. It gives you all of that yummy stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.